was great racing. You know, the track first time I've been here, so it's something different for me. But no, I'm super happy with how today has gone. There was no real pressure on me. I'm pretty safe in the GP at the moment, but to have a backup card is always great. So it's not pressure today, and I raced amazing. So I'm super happy and happy that my place next year is secure. The fans are amazing. You know, it's, yeah, they're very passionate about Speedway, and it's, I would love to see a Grand Prix here one day. It would be something cool. And you know, as many years ago, I was watching previously some GPs from here, and yeah, I think to bring it back here, the fans would absolutely love it. You know, you don't really see much racing in Italy, but yeah, this is I think a special place for Grand Prix to come to.